Hello, my name is Manny Synalovski, and I'm the architect of the proposed Pivot Mixed-Use Project. The project is located at 6740 Griffin Road on the south side of the Griffin Road right-of-way. The proposed development is to the west of Southwest 65th Avenue and east of Southwest 70th Avenue. Currently, the property is vacant. Our neighbor to the east is an existing preschool, and to the west and south, our neighbor is a residential community called Lakeside Village. This community has a commercial component that also fronts Griffin Road. A lake maintenance easement exists along the west and south of our property that serves the adjacent Lakeside Village. The survey of the property notes the narrow and long rectangular shape of our parcel. A portion of the property along the south end was previously zoned agricultural A1. That portion was successfully rezoned and previously approved on September 18, 2019. Note, the proposed pivot mixed-use development is in the town of Davie's Griffin Quarter District. The proposed development was previously approved by the town of Davie on October 22, 2019. Due to COVID, the project became dormant and the approved site plan expired. Nonetheless, a required plat was approved and recorded on February 18, 2022. The plat note allows 8 garden apartments and 4,900 square feet of office use. This application is an exact repetition of the previously approved site plan. The proposed site plan is the same 3-story building with ground floor area of 4,800 square feet of office use and 4 garden apartments on the 2nd floor and on the 3rd floor. Thus, this application is consistent with the recorded plat. The Griffin Quarter District requires a minimum lot of 65,000 square feet. We are requesting a variance for our existing lot, which is only 44,097 square feet. The district also requires a minimum lot width of 250 feet. We are requesting a variance from our existing lot width of 121.3 feet. The site plan depicts the parking lot's access running perpendicular to Griffin Road. There is a hammerhead at the end of the access driveway, allowing for emergency vehicle accessibility. On the south end of the proposed development, a stormwater retention area is intended to collect stormwater on site and allow it to be properly treated before connection to the greater drainage system. The proposed site plan was previously approved by the Central Broward Water Control District. Privacy walls separate the proposed development from the residential uses to the west and to the south. In this proposed landscape plan, you can see we're providing significant landscaping along Griffin Road, consistent with the Griffin Quarter District and Town of Davie requirements. Also, we're providing extraordinary landscaping along the perimeter of the property at the east, south, and west property lines. Foundation planting around the building footprint and all parking areas and parking islands comply with the Town of Davie landscape requirements. Light poles have been strategically located so that they do not conflict with proposed trees in our landscape plan. Further, the light poles and proposed lamps are in full compliance with the standards of the Griffin Quarter District aesthetics. The proposed floor plans indicate the mixed-use 3-story building with 4,800 square feet of ground floor office use and a total of 8 garden apartments equally split with 4 units on the 2nd and 4 units on the 3rd floor. The building's flat roof is accessed by one of the building staircases. Access to the roof is limited for maintenance of rooftop mechanical equipment. All of the rooftop mechanical equipment is shielded from view of pedestrians or vehicles within all of the surrounding community. The building finishes are in full compliance with the aesthetic requirements of the Griffin Quarter District, whether it be siding, stucco, horizontal bands, parapet caps, decorative medallions, building colors, the use of balconies, the use of canopies, the use of decorative railings, decorative columns, glazing, and exterior lighting. All materials and all building finishes embrace the character of the neighboring community. This image shows the use of dark aluminum storefront windows and doors to simulate wood. The use of bright and joyful fabrics for canvas canopies, as well as the selection of building colors, are consistent with the design criteria of the Griffin Quarter District. In closing, this 3D image of the north and east elevations of the proposed building and site development presents a well-integrated addition to the Griffin Quarter District that connects the surrounding community along Griffin Road, from Davie Road to the east to University Drive to the west. Should you have any questions or comments, please contact me via email at msynalovski@synalovski.com or via phone through the office number at 954-961-6806. You may also contact Sylvia Myint of the town of Davie via email at smyint@daviefl.gov or via phone at 954-797-1069. Thank you for your interest, and I look forward to a successful project.